Hina! Come on, we've got to get out of here.
Thanks for trying. I can't feel my legs anymore, Takemichi. I can't.
In the future, in the past, always and forever. I love you.
I'm so glad to hear that. Go now, Takemichi!
Hina!
മേഘത്തിൻ മേലെ ഉന്നോട് നിതന്ത